Hello everyone, my name is Tejas Sutar and welcome to the video where we are presenting a presentation and demonstration on our final year project called StudyHub Collaborative Learning Platform. We are Group 41 from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are presenting our final year project titled StudyHub Collaborative Learning Platform developed under the guidance of Ms. Aishwarya Phadtare. Our project focuses on improving the way students collaborate, communicate, and manage their academic activities by providing all essential study related tools within a single platform. StudyHub is a modern collaborative learning and productivity platform designed specifically for students and academic teams. Today, students often switch between multiple applications for communication, meeting, task management, note sharing, and productivity tracking. This constant switching creates distraction and reduces efficiency. To solve this problem, we developed StudyHub, a centralized platform that combines real-time communication, task management, collaborative workspaces, video conferencing, file sharing, and productivity tools in one place. The platform includes features such as chat rooms, video conferencing, collaborative whiteboards, file sharing, Pomodoro timer, AI powered search, profile management, and productivity tracking, creating a seamless learning experience for students. Before developing StudyHub, we analyzed the challenges faced by the students during online learning and group collaboration. One major issue is lack of centralized platform. Students depend on multiple applications for various tasks. This leads to communication delays, scattered resources, poor task management, and inefficient collaboration. As a result, students spend more time switching between applications instead of focusing on learning and productivity. Therefore, there is a need for a unified platform that combines collaboration, communication, productivity, and task management into a single system. The primary objective of StudyHub is to create a centralized platform that replaces multiple disconnected academic tools. We aim to provide real-time synchronization for communication and collaboration, allowing students to work together efficiently. The platform also includes task and Kanban management for project planning and secure file sharing for resource management and AI-powered search for quick information retrieval. Additionally, we focus on designing a scalable and responsive architecture that can support future institutional adoption. The StudyHub system follows a modern full-stack architecture. The frontend is developed using React.js and Tailwind CSS, providing a responsive and user-friendly interface. The backend is built using Node.js and Express.js, which handle business logic and API communication. MongoDB is used for storing user session, task, and collaboration data. For real-time communication, we use Socket.io and WebRTC, enabling instant messaging, synchronization, and video conferencing. JWT authentication is implemented to ensure secure user access and session management. StudyHub consists of multiple interconnected modules, each designed to solve a specific academic collaboration challenge. The authentication modules manages secure login and registration. Profile management allows users to maintain academic profiles. The Social Hub enables students to connect and collaborate with peers. Task Hub and Kanban board helps users organize tasks and manage project workflows. The video conferencing module supports real-time meetings while the whiteboard enables collaborative brainstorming. File sharing provides secure resource exchange. The Pomodoro timer improves productivity and focus during study sessions. Finally, the AI search model helps users quickly access relevant information and resources. To run StudyHub efficiently, only basic hardware requirements are needed, including an Intel Core i3 processor or higher, 4 GB RAM, and stable internet connection. On the software side, the platform uses React.js and Tailwind CSS for frontend, Node.js and Express.js for backend, MongoDB as database, and Socket.io with WebRTC for real-time communication. Development and testing were carried out using tools such as VS Code, GitHub, Postman, and modern web browsers. In conclusion, StudyHub successfully demonstrated a modern collaborative learning and productivity platform by integrating communication, task management, file sharing, productivity tracking, AI assistant, and real-time collaboration into a single ecosystem. The platform reduces dependency on multiple applications and improves the overall learning experience. The project also provided valuable experience in full-stack development, database management, API integration, real-time systems, and scalable web application designs. StudyHub represents an efficient, scalable, and user-friendly solution for collaborative learning and academic productivity. Thank you for your time and attention. Now let us move on to the live demonstration of the project and explore its features in action. At a first glance, we can see landing page of website. By clicking start button, we can redirect to registration page where you can create new account using your email and set a password and username. Then after registration, you can see dashboard. After that, I will switch to older account to show further features. At first, we can see welcoming message on top, which ensures successful login of user. Beside that, we have two buttons for creating and joining room. After that, we have profile icon. By clicking that, we can edit or see our profile. At bottom of your profile management section, we have study statistics where you can explore insights of your previous sessions. After that, you can edit or update profile information by clicking edit profile button and save changes. You can also set any photo to your profile. After this, we will go back to dashboard and explore other features. On dashboard's right side, we can check whether any live sessions are running there or not. Below that, we can see all the old sessions where we participated. On left side of that, we can overlook all our upcoming tasks. And top of that also, we have various insights about our previous sessions and profile. Then on bottom of left side bar, we have one motivational quote, and on top we have three buttons for three models. In that, we will explore Task Hub next. In Task Hub, on top we have one search bar along with various filters. In below of that, we have quick task overview section where we get insights about our previous tasks. In main section of Task Hub, we can see info cards for each task where we can change task status by simply checking radio button, and change will occur quickly also in task overview section. For creating new task, we will click add new task button, then simply fill all the information related to task like title, description, due date, priority and category, and save it by clicking create task button. Then we will move to next part, which is Kanban board, which offers a visual workflow management system. Tasks can be organized into different stages, making it easier to monitor progress and collaborate on academic projects. Then we will explore third model, which is social hub, where we can see our friend list, also find a new friends. Then we have group section, also where we can create group by clicking create group button and name the group and select members of group. Then we have a group chat where we can send message to all group members. We can check it by sending a message to group by reminding about tonight's meeting. Then there is a section where we can see requests from our friends. Then we will move to the main part by creating new session by clicking create session button. Then we can set session name, choose session type and set password also, and simply start the session. Then on session page in navbar left side we have Pomodoro timer and right side we have profile icon and leave button. Then moving to the file sharing feature where we can simply choose a file, then upload it and also preview it. Then we can see all the shared files in resources tab and also preview them. Then there is a AI assistant feature where you can ask a simple question and it will give you a short and simple answer. Then we will move to major feature, which is whiteboard, where you can draw by simply double clicking. Then there is a clear button which will clear all the screen. You can draw anything you want. Then also undo and redo it. You can also adjust the size of pencil and also zoom in or zoom out the canvas. Then you can select any color in given palette for pencil. Then also there is a button for export which will export the canvas in PNG format image, which will look like above image. Then next feature is chat room, where there are four sections. In first, we have chat room, where we can simply type a message and send the message to everybody. Then we have notice section. Then there is a section for agenda, where we can see the meeting's agenda. Then there is a section for participants, where we can see all the participants in the meeting. Then above it, we have host camera, where we can start the camera by clicking start camera button. Then I will join this session with another ID. We will only need room ID and room password for joining the room. After that, we can already see a shared whiteboard and shared files. Then in share screen tab, we can join video call by clicking join call button. After that, we have all the buttons related to video call. Then we will send some chats from this ID to the previous ID and check on that ID. So here we can see we have received some chat and we will reply it. Then on corner we can see delete session button which will be visible only to the host, which will lead to delete all the session. Then beside that we have leave button. By clicking it we will be redirected to dashboard page. Then by clicking logout button we will be redirected to landing page. Then below of it we can see information about website. That's it. Thank you for your time and attention.